Hey there guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is JT, and in today's vlog we're gonna go over my truck and everything that I've done to it to this day ever since I've gotten it. Okay, so far I've had this truck for over 2 months, and I gotta admit, one of the best purchases that I've ever made in my life. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, click the big red button. I'm almost 250 subs, so I am really happy about that. And if you're watching this, make sure you drop a like if you enjoy it, share this video, and drop a comment down below. And I wish you guys the best. Enjoy. Okay, let's get this started. So first things first, we gotta get that truck inside. I already opened the gate. So yeah, and then I'm gonna do a couple drone shots. By the way, it's freaking freezing right now. We actually had a white Christmas this year. I mean, it wasn't really that big of a deal. Like, it was snowing, not that much, but you know, it's pretty good. Like you can see, it's already melting. Like, all the snow, it's already melting. But like, we had a lot of snow for one day, which feels kind of cool. But yeah, I mean, for a white Christmas, it was nice. Actually, I even got this for my Christmas present. One of my siblings got this. As you guys can see, it's my freaking logo. Like, it is JT. It's freaking nice. I really like that. I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas too, if you celebrated. If you don't, and I hope you had a happy Hanukkah, or whatever, you know, whatever you celebrate. I hope you had a wonderful day of it. It is pretty messy. I mean, I just washed it a couple of days ago, but here in my area, the weather's not that great, so I have to wash it again. Okay. Ooh, let's go on. Oh man. Okay, so I got this truck with 74,000 miles, and right now it's a 76,000, almost 77,000. So I think the thing that got me the most miles was when I went over to my camping trip over to, like, it was like 3 hours from, like, away from here, like 4 hours. So I think that's the thing that got me the most miles, because really from work to or from home to work back and forth hasn't gotten me that many miles, because literally it's right there, like not even 5 minutes away. So I'm pretty sure it has to be that, because it went up pretty fast when I went into that trip. And I mean, it's nothing bad, it's just like so many miles. All right, let's take it over there, and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, y'all, so I am finally in. I put it, okay, oh crap, okay, I've made it inside. Let's just walk around it, and I'm just gonna show you guys everything that I've done to this so far over the 3-4 months that I've had this baby with me. So by the way, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that her name is Luna. Okay, her name is Luna. I named her Luna because, you know, whenever you are out, like whenever you're driving her and you step on it, it sounds like a freaking wolf or something, like a lion. I don't know why I named it like that, but anyways, let's just first go into the first mod that I did to this thing, and let's see it. All right, so the first one was, of course, the tailgate assist. So this old trucks, whenever you open the tailgate, they drop really fast, and I don't know, I just didn't like that, you know. So there's like a couple of things that you could do, and one of them was buying like a tailgate assist for your truck, which is this. So whenever you open it, let me show you guys. So whenever you open it, see, it just drops slowly. Oh lord, look at that. So that's the first mod that I ever did to this truck. And as you guys can see, this is the little piece there's a little thing that makes it go slow. So it's this little thing, and here's, so you basically attach it to your bed, the end of your bed, and then you attach the other piece to the end of your, or to the bottom of the tailgate right here. Okay, so now the second mod that I did was the frame for my license plate. So the old one was just a plain little stripe that was black around the corner. I wanted to make it a little bit bigger, like I wanted a bigger like frame and a cooler one. So I got this kind of like a metal looking ish thing. It's actually, like, I think it's plastic, but it looks kind of like metalish, and it has a little, like, you know, like truck beds. Some of the truck beds, or some of the truck toolboxes. Yeah, it's the little frame here. I actually like that. It actually looks pretty nice. And this one was around 30 something, less than $50 for 2 of them. So it was pretty nice. I got them for both of them. It was nice. pretty affordable price. So the third mod that I did to this truck was the interior lighting. So if you guys know, if you guys have seen your car, if it's an old car or anything like that, it has yellow lights and they're not really that bright in the night. So I decided, you know, switch it up for some LED light, and I did it to the back too. You guys can see that, and it was a pretty easy process, not gonna lie. All you gotta do is take this apart and then just install them, and then do the same with the back one. If you guys can see it over there, if I'm pointing it at it. Yeah, all you gotta do is do that, and you just install them, and they're really great actually. Every time I unlock my truck or lock it up, they turn on, it makes the whole interior visible, and it's amazing. Especially at night, I don't lose things no more. And if you guys want to see the installation for that, it's also going to be in the description below. And the price for these, I'm going to leave it right there in the little screen. I'm going to show you guys the screen of it, like a little screenshot of it. They're really affordable, less than $50 too. And by the way, customer service for these babies right here, amazing. I give it a 10 out of 10. Fourth thing I did to this truck for mods, under $100. These are all mods that are under $100. Anyone can actually do this type of mods. Oh yeah, it's over here. So I did that. I did the license plates too. I did some LED on the license plates. So these right here, these are LED lights, and this ones, I don't know if you can see them right now because it's bright outside, but let me try doing this. Hopefully you can see them. Oh crap, where is it? Okay. I don't know if you can see them. Oh my lord. Oh, there you go. See that? They're LED. They look like that right now because this, like the little glass part, it's kind of dirty and foggy from the snow and from the, it's a morning. So, but they're actually super bright at night. It brightens up the license plates super nice. And now for the fifth mod under $100 that I did to my truck was something that I never thought I would actually use. I thought they didn't exist. Like I never actually thought they made stuff like this for your trucks or cars, and that is a dashboard mount. So what I mean by dashboard mount is literally just a little platform that you mount onto your dashboard, and then in that little mount you can mount other things with screws and all that, like cell phone holders, like other stuff. I'll show you. I'll put a link in the description of things that you can do with it. It's actually nice. And this is the company that makes it. It's called Built Right Industries. It's a great company actually. I can't believe they actually sell a bunch of useful things for truck owners. I love it so much. All right, so this is how it looks, guys. As you guys can see, it's actually pretty sturdy. All I had to do was basically drill 2 holes here so I could mount it from this side. And then all the ones back here, they're the original holes that you have to mount the plate on, the little plate, the little plastic plate. So they're already there, and all you have to do was drill it down and bam bam. But yeah guys, that's all the work that you have to put in to put this in place. It's pretty easy. All right y'all, so those are all the mods that I have on my truck right now, and they're all under $100. So if you guys want to get a hold of any of those, make sure you guys check my link in the description and click on them. If you guys want to, trust me, it's gonna be worth it. For now, let's just start cleaning this baby up and getting it all nice and clean from the inside. Can you please stop cockadoodling my videos? That's all I wanted. I just want peace, just peace. Jesus, like, okay. So, like I was saying before this stupid chicken interrupted me, let's get this baby cleaned up from the inside, get all the garbage out, and get this going. Because it's a brand new year, it's the start of a new journey in the wilderness, because I want to go off camping again, or you know, traveling somewhere else besides that. Let's do this. Roll the clip and stop it. Roll the B-roll. Alright guys, so as I was recording the B-roll with my drone, I think I have a little accident. So I got stuck on top of a tree. You guys can see it here. Crap, let me see if you guys can see it. It's like literally stuck on top of the tree. Like you can see that shit. So we're gonna try to get it down right now. Good thing it's my aunt's. It's my aunt's property, so it's over there. Jeez. Okay, so it has to be somewhere over here. Oh, I see it. Okay, so you guys can take a look. Hold it. Stuck up on the tree. It's right there. Come on, where is it at? I can barely see it. It's over there on top. I don't know if you guys can probably see it. So we're gonna try to get it down and see how it goes. Hopefully I can get it down. I suck. I can't get it.
Why don't you bring your truck around here and then try to stand on top of it and shoot it from on top of your truck?
Ah man, bro. How can I see it?
Oh, that's it.
Yeah. It's on top. You can see it under here. Under here. You can see it right there in the middle.